Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of Chilled Relaxed Plant Content, where we talk about our plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them so they grow how we want them to grow. So, I have a box. It is from Mystery Garden over on Etsy. Go check them out. And we got a plant. So, in a previous video, I imported some Hoyas from China. It was the Hoya Mauna, the Hoya Bella outer variegated, and the Hoya Bella inner variegated. So if you have watched that video, you would know that the inner variegated Hoya Bella did not make it. It didn't ship well. It kind of just, it kaputted before I even got here. So I was annoyed and I ended up on Etsy and I replaced that plant. So this is the plant. So for these, for most of my Etsy purchases, I will reach out and just say like, hey, you know, I'm gonna make a video on it. You know, I really like your plant stuff. Do you want me to like mention anything about your plants? And the owner of this shop, Andrew, mentioned that he is getting in a bunch more Hoyas in the month of August. So I will definitely be checking out his shop again, just to see what he has. And yeah, I recommend you guys also go check it out. So we got tissue paper wrapped. Okay, there's a lot of tape, which is good. But yeah, I just, you know, I was so upset when that plant like arrived dead. It was just, I don't know. I saw Jacqueline Jungles. She had the plants. She ordered, I think, one of the Bellas, and it came looking good, and mine did not. It also had the least amount of roots, so I decided, you know what? I'm gonna pull the trigger, and I'm gonna get one from the States, and hope that it ships better. And look at this. Let me get you up close and personal. Look at that. So I think they refer to it as Hoya Bella Louis Boy variegated. That's what they label it as. I just say inner variegation or outer variegation because I ain't got time to try to remember a bunch of little names. It's in sphagnum moss. There are roots. I don't know if you're going to be able to see them. I'll try to show you. Look where my nail is. I don't know if you can see anything with the glare, but it's there. Oh man, this is an exciting unboxing. I have the regular green Bella. I got the inner variegated guy, and yeah, I'm happy. We're still trying to see if the other Hoya Bella that I imported is going to make it or not. We'll see. We'll find out. I know they're hard to ship, although this guy looks amazing. I'm just going to pull him out and see what the roots look like, if I can. The sphagnum moss is moist, which is good. I don't know if you want to see me pulling off sphagnum moss, but I'm going to just pull it off, see what the roots look like, and if they're significant, I'm going to just pot it up into my soil mix and get it going. If not, we'll put it in water, because that's the rooting method that works for me. So, let's see. If it is rooted, it's lightly rooted. Let's see. Okay, I'm starting to get some resistance to the sphagnum moss, so I'm going to be very gentle, and I'll probably like just skip forward to me actually showing you the roots because I don't think you want to sit here and watch me pick off sphagnum moss for 20 minutes. So, yeah, see you soon. Alright, so I pulled off all of the root, all the sphagnum moss I'm comfortable pulling off at this moment. And this is what the roots look like. I'm going to stick it in water. I have like these small little jars. And yeah, I'm excited. We got a Hoya Bella, intervariegated. Yeah, this is a good cutting. It was reasonably priced. I will put the price of the plant on the screen, as I always do with this little Etsy plant shop shout out series I guess I have going on. So yeah, if you are interested in some Hoyas, go check out this channel. And yeah, until next time, relax, plant, peace out.